To begin, first log in using your credentials. Next, you will need to select your role to access the correct features. For this tutorial, we will choose the Trader role. From the main dashboard, this opens the UPS screen where you will find two options, Payment Advice and Paid Bills. To view outstanding transactions, simply tap on Payment Advice. This will open a new screen displaying a list of all your available payment advices. If you need to quickly locate a specific advice, you can utilize the powerful search function. You are able to search for a payment advice using its PSID, document number, document type code, and also the BL number. If you need to see more detail for any specific document, just tap on the corresponding payment advice in the list. The full detailed information for that selected advice will then be shown. Now, if you wish to review transactions that have already been paid, simply navigate back and tap on the Paid Bills option. This opens the Paid Bills listing screen. Similar to the payment advice, you can efficiently search your records here using the PSID, document number, document type code, and the BL number. Finally, to see the detailed information for any of these paid documents, simply tap on the corresponding record in the list, and the full document detail will be displayed. This concludes the overview of the Payment Management section. Thank you for watching.